Hey guys, welcome back. Go ahead and apologize for today's video. I do not have the best braking knowledge, as in proportioning valves and fittings and stuff, but today we're going to kind of map out the position of where I think the line should go and kind of go over probably some stuff I need to get and kind of where I'm thinking about putting stuff. If you have a better idea, put it in the comments below. But yeah, I just gonna kind of do a general overview, see what pieces we have, possibly where to bend them, and to make everything kind of work. But let me turn you around here and kind of show you what we got. I already kind of mentioned these before. I already went through, took one out, but these are all flared with the nuts on them. We got just a kind of mix of lengths and such. I think this is our longest length here, so I want to make the longest run with it if we can. And I think we may have enough to do the whole truck. Let me show you our master cylinder. It's Willwood. And then we got 2 proportioning valves. I think this one will go to the rear. This one will go to the front. We got a T. And that, I don't know where that goes exactly. And then there's the brass nut. I am going to have to get some kind of bracket for this. That's just a retaining clip. You pop that off. Anyways, get a bracket, mount it somewhere up here. I don't want to, I mean, it's stretching pretty good, but not somewhere up in here. But I think we can go ahead and kind of map out this area down through here, underneath there, and come up. I want to say right in this area, because our cab will set to right in here. That's the front mounting bolts for it, and it should come up to the master cylinder being right here. Then I don't know, running back down for the fronts. And we have these, the actual brackets like we need back there. And you'll have to mount these somewhere. I don't know where. I gotta go somewhere that won't stretch when I turn. So I may have to get longer lines. So I don't know where to really put those. There's not too much length on them, you know. That's why I'm kind of iffy on finalizing everything. I know we need to. I wonder if we can. So you want to do that because I don't know if being there and then turn the wheels this way if it's going to pull. I do know I need to run the hard line around here and back that way to the master cylinder and everything. We do got clips. Look at these here. We will have to drill and tap them. And I think I got a tap and die set somewhere. I might not, I don't know. I have to look. But might go through a number of these where I want them. And we may try to bend some. But we'll just have to see. But we're gonna give it a shot and see what happens. I know I'm missing some pieces and missing a lot of knowledge on this stuff, but like I said, I think we can go ahead and kind of put it out there and kind of get what we want started at least. But let's turn around here and let's get to work. And this is our longest piece, and it goes almost the full length of this. We might. Oh, let's try a different one. Or we could go ahead and bend this one. It's already kind of bent anyways. Bend it where the joint would be back here. And that we could possibly bend a little bit there. I don't think this is going to be long enough to do what I want to do with it. And it's too long. Okay, that was a little bit longer. Lots is a little bit there. Run around this seam, thinking we'll start this rear one. From the rear, need to bend it up. So I'm just gonna go with it. I know I may mess these up, and if I do, I'll just have to buy lines. I've got a flaring kit, so we'll give it a shot. Maybe bend a couple lines and see how it looks. The video camera died on me, but I did get bracket off. Had one of the front brakes, so we're gonna see if this will work. That won't work. Looks similar, so we'll pop that little retaining clip off, and we'll put that on it. See if that works. Yep, it works. So, except for that's not straight and not tight. Try to fix this right quick. All right, that's I think it's gonna look like the main parts. And we still got a couple long ones and some short ones here. Another one right here too. Sorry about today. The camera's been cut off twice during the middle of all this, and I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. Probably need to get a new one that won't overheat. I think the GoPro 8s have a problem with that. And it's starting to get warm out here, but don't know if this was caught in the video, but we need to, well, let me turn you around here and kind of give you the overview. All right, we kind of mocked this up with some painter's tape. You can see right there, it'll probably go up. And we got this kind of laid out underneath there. More stuff. I need to find a bracket for this. Thinking about putting it somewhere in there. That rear end shouldn't come up more than that. There'll be a lot of weight in the back. It should actually go down a little bit. So I'm hoping right in there will be good. So he's like one bend down and then one bend over, hopefully. That's still a lot of material there. Hopefully we won't have to cut and reflare that, but got there and all the way down. One thing I had a question on is this. I don't know if caught or not, but I've never done any brake work. All I've really done is help bleed brakes before. There's one valve out. If y'all know, does that one go to a T like this? Say this side goes to the master cylinder, that goes to the front, and that goes to the back brakes. And then these proportioning valves, which is a 2, which will go to the back, and a 10, which will go to the front, are in line. And if so, was that correct? Let me know in the comments below. But I'm thinking we're pretty good with how this looks so far. The only thing is getting that back secured and finding a place to mount these fronts. I'm not sure where a good place would be. I was thinking right there on the frame rail, but that's kind of close to the shock. Mount it like that. But I don't know if, let me see if that grill will be in the way. Don't necessarily want to mount them behind there, because if I turn, I'm afraid I might stretch across the shocks. So let me know what a good spot it is to mount these. I took that one off of it to see if it'd work back there, and the bracket will work, but the retaining washer won't. And this is way too big for this fitting, so I had to get a different size fitting for this and then see if that'll fit into it, I guess. Like I said, let me know your thoughts on how to do this, if I'm doing it right or if I just trash that brake line. But I bent it right in the kink there without that being forward, so I had to try to straighten it back out. No, it don't look great right there, but I think it'll still work. But just have a lot of questions. Any help you can provide, please put down in the comments below or email me. I could use all the help I can get on this. I really want to get the brake lines run and done, at least the backs, and then maybe run the fuel lines so I can actually put the body back on it and kind of finish some stuff up. Next time, we may be working on the brakes some more, and I think I may dive into the engine a little bit. We need to clean it, and still don't know what color to paint it, but we'll choose a color and go with it. But we might look at that, kind of turn it over, see if the bearings are still good. I think it might be a decent little engine, and if everything checks out, then we may start rebuilding it. I got a new gasket kit and new heads for it. We're gonna do a timing chain, or not timing chain, a timing gear, a noisy one. And I got a Illuminati cam and lifters put in it, and a new HEI distributor. And hopefully that will kind of button this thing up. If I ever get access to 3 2-barrel carbs, we'll throw the 3.2 intake on it, and I think that'll look pretty cool. And kind of want to get all that in there and have the headers on it. That way we know exactly where the brake lines need to be, because I don't want to get the brake lines hot or the fuel lines hot. That makes sense. But anyways, made this far. Thanks for watching. And again, I'm sorry about the video today. For some reason the camera just keeps cutting out, and I don't know how much footage I lost, but I was over here messing with stuff and didn't even think about checking on it. And I'm sorry about that. Next time will be better. Like I said, we'll continue on this, and hopefully this will start speeding up and we can actually drive it sometime soon. But for that kind of stuff, please hang around. Please like, comment, subscribe. It does help the channel a lot. And Beverly Hills calling me. Anyways, see you next week.